Alright, brother, you don't know the real border cat I represent for Lee's Information TV. Brother, remember me telling you, say, subscribe, like, and share, people. Watching Lee's Information TV can happen, brother.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Please remember to like this video, share, subscribe, comment, and also guys, watch the ads, turn on that post notification bell so you never miss an update whenever I upload a new video. So stay tuned. So guys, this is Yellas Bay. It's a really small town where people usually consider making a quick stop. Guys, when you're approaching Yellas Bay from Kingston or from Martin Bay, guys, it's so exciting, especially at night where you normally see the jerk vendors, you know, playing your little tug of war just to sell something. Whether it's jerk chicken or jerk pork, whichever you choose. And you normally see the bar operate and music playing on the streets and people just have a good time. So guys, this section of the highway is being done by our local contractor here in Jamaica. From Yellas Bridge to Martin Bay, China Harbour Engineering Company, they covered most of the project from Harbour View in St. Andrew to Yellas Bridge. So guys, I know I've been reading the comment, most of you guys asking me when this highway is going to be done, but I must say, allegedly, it was said that it will be finished by 2022. If you are from St. Thomas, whether you work or you're from the parish, and based on what you guys, you know, want to see so far, want to think. So guys, people are saying like the section where the China Harbour Engineering Company are doing, that actually they see most of the work being done that side than what our local contractor doing here on the other side of the highway. So probably that's why people really have mixed feelings. He said them to think when we are done by 2022, but who knows? Let's see how it goes. So guys, this portable concrete pump truck that you're seeing here, it's waiting upon arrival of a mixer truck with the ready concrete mixture to be used on the ongoing construction site. So guys, as you can see, there's a small excavator here. Actually it's in action now because it's removing the heavy debris and soil. So yes guys, from time to time we are going to meet into traffic jam, but it's what it is. We just have to cooperate and let this thing work, because of course we want the road in St. Thomas because we are struggling over the years. So guys, we have come to the end of another video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Bye guys.